How to watch Telegram videos in app without Terabox. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you to watch Telegram videos in app without Terabox. So do watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, you need to simply launch any web browser on your device that might be Chrome or Safari. Once you open it, open in a new tab and tap the search bar and type in the URL MDX Play, or you can simply type in mdx or .com. And then you will see on the visual page different kinds of links related to the MDX, but you have to go and open the official website of MDX Play. Tap on the first link that says mdxplay.com. Open it, and after it opens, you simply need to paste the MDX or Terabox. You simply need to first copy your link from the application or whoever sent you it from and paste the link video in this right here. Search for the video and simply watch it. You can even download it from here, and in this way you can simply watch Telegram videos in app without Terabox. So do watch the video till the end. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos.